Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about the Taylor series in here. So we know that the series of sine x that should be about x minus x to the power of 3 over 3 factorial plus x to the power of 5 over 5 factorial and so on in here. So in this one we can simplify like this. So we have the summation in here, n equals to number 0, and this one we have infinity, negative number 1 to the power of n. We multiply by s to the power of 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1 factorial in here. And now we have sine s to the power of 4. Now we put this one go in here. So this one will go in here. Now we put this one go in here. So this number we can simplify. So number 4 multiplied by 2n plus 1. So this one and 2n plus 1 factorial we can put outside, and that should be like this. So we have the formula in here. Now the integration of this one, we have s to the power of an plus 4 plus 1 over an plus 4 plus 1, and I will put about c. So we can simplify this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.